Hey guys, it's Diamond13 back with another video. This time we're doing it a little bit different actually. This is a disassembly process of a gaming mouse, specifically the RAZER Death Adder mouse. And yeah, so basically a huge shout out to my boys Jeremy, Xavier, and Max for giving me this video. Especially Jeremy, he's actually the one who recorded this. I think in my last video I mentioned that I'm actually in university, and this is actually my lab group. Jeremy actually disassembled the mouse, and I asked him, hey, can I upload this to my channel? And he's like, oh, all right, go ahead, man. And yeah, so that's why I'm posting this video. So anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, check out my other videos too. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.